In this episode of the Builder Studio, we're building a simple DIY craft table using an Osborne table base kit and a repurposed hickory tabletop. This project is perfect for adding extra workspace to a kid's playroom and requires just a few tools. Stay tuned and we'll be right back. Whether you're building a craft table or a large dining table, our custom table base kits come with everything you need to build a solid table that's perfect for any space. These kits come with all of the necessary hardware for assembly and can be customized with the table leg of your choice. For this project, we chose the Portsmouth end table leg, part 1204 on our website. This is a 21-inch end table leg and is the perfect height for this kid's craft table. I'll start by assembling the pre-cut mortise and tenons for each leg and secure them using the supplied fastener. Wood glue can be added to the mortises depending on your preference, but it's not required for this assembly. I'll repeat this process for all four sides of the table base before moving on to the next step. Next, we can install the corner blocks to each corner of the kit. I find it easiest to loosely install the hanger bolt before adding the pre-drilled pocket screws. Then you can tighten it down with a 1/2-inch wrench and really pull the table together at the corners. Once the table is assembled, we'll add a quick coat of paint before moving on to the next step. As I mentioned, for this project, we're using a repurposed hickory tabletop from an old piece of furniture. This makes for a great top for our craft table, as hickory is very durable and this table will likely see some wear over the years. I chose to go with a 1-inch tabletop overhang on this table, but this is something you can customize when you order your table base kit from Osborne. Just let us know your desired dimensions for the project and we can create the perfect fit. The final addition to this project is some built-in storage underneath. I picked up these hanging shelves online and I think they'll be a great option for some storage for this table. I'm going to add one on each side, so I'll start by finding the center of my table base kit and lining that up with the center of the shelf. Then I'll make some reference marks and flip it around and install using the supplied hardware. Depending on your tabletop, you may want to pre-drill in this step to avoid cracking or splitting the top. Just be sure to use a drill bit that is slightly smaller than the screw that you're using for an easy installation. I'll repeat this process for the remaining shelf and we can take a closer look at our finished craft table. Thank you for joining me for this episode. If you're interested in the parts used in this build, you can check out the links below, as well as a link to the custom table base builder on our website. As always, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave us a comment, and we'll see you next time in the Builder Studio.